Hello students, welcome to CS Digest. So in this video we will be talking about the elimination of null moves. So basically what is a null move? So null move is when a machine can change its state without any input symbol. For example, Q0 is going to Q1 without any input symbol. So this is known as null move, but it is of no use in our design, so we should try to eliminate our null moves to make our design more accurate. Okay, let me show an example. So suppose this is Q1 and on null move it is going to Q2. This is a null move. Okay, we denote it using epsilon. Okay, from Q2 it can go to, on A it is going to Q3 and on B it is going to Q4. Now can we simply remove this transition? No, it can't be done, because if we remove this, then how will you reach here or here? Okay, so you can't simply just delete this transition. So there are certain rules to do it, otherwise it will just disconnect the whole system. Okay, so what we can do is we will see that wherever the second state is going, the second state means this state is going, reach to all of them from the initial state. Okay, then you delete this. Okay, so Q2 is going to Q3 and Q4, so try to reach to Q3 and Q4 using Q1. Okay, we don't have to delete Q2, we have to delete this move. Okay, so this is Q2 and on A it is going to Q3. Let me raise this. Okay, and on B it is going to Q4. So try to reach to Q3 and Q4 using Q1. So on A you can go to Q3 and on B you are going to Q4. Okay, so this way you remove the null move. Okay, so we have to keep in mind some points, that if second state is final state, what is second state? Second state is this one here. For example, Q1 is going to Q2 using a null move, so Q2 is our second state. Okay, so if second state is final state, then make initial state also as final state. Okay, like we did here, because Q2 was our final state, so we made Q1 also our final state. Second rule is, suppose Q1 is final, that is our first state is final, but Q2 is not final. So what will we do here? So here you don't have to make Q2 as final. Okay, so if Q2 is final, then you make Q1 as final also. But if Q1 is final, then don't make Q2 as our final state. Okay, got it? Now one more rule, that is, suppose both q1 and q2 are not final. Okay, so here also don't make any of q1 and q2 as final state. Okay, so you just have to make the final state when second state is the final state, then only make the initial state as final state. Otherwise, if q1 is final or both of them are not final, so you don't have to manipulate the final state. Okay, so now based on this, let's do one or two questions. Okay, so let's see. Suppose q0 is our initial state. It's making a null move to q1 and it is also making a null move to q2. That is our final state. Okay, so on 0 it is remaining on q0, this on 1 is remaining on q1, and this on 1, this on 2 is remaining to q2. Okay, so we have to eliminate this null move. So here you see, here both of them are not final, so you don't have to make any one of them final. Okay, but here second state is our final in q1 and q2. Second state is our final, so we will make q1 is also final. So if we will make q1 also final, we will also have to make q0 also final. Okay, so q0, all three will be final here. Okay, got it? One, it will, we have to reach to all the states using our initial state here. That's how we will eliminate the null move. So on 1 it will remain here, on 2 it will remain here. So on 2 it will go to q2 also, because we have to reach all of them from the initial state. Similarly, from q0 also we will go to q2 on 2. So this is how we eliminate the null move here. Okay, got it? Let's do one more question. Here's q0, q1, q2. Let it be a final state. Okay, on B it's remaining here, on A it's going here, on A it's coming back, on B it's going here, and it's making a null move here, and on A it is remaining here. Okay, so here our first state is q0, here our first state is q2. Why? Because from q2 is coming to q1, so q2 will become our first state and q1 will become our second state. Okay, so according to our rules, if initial state is our final state or our first state is our final state, then you don't have to make second state as your final state. See the rule number 2. Okay, so how will we eliminate the null move here? It will remain as it is, q0, q1 and q2. Okay, between q0 and q1 everything will be as it is, because there is no null move here. Okay, okay, now since q2 is our first state, so we have to reach to all the states. So we are going to we won't go to q1 because it is a null move, and q1 is going to q0 on A. So we have to reach from Q2 to Q0 also, because from here how we are going to Q0 from Q2, we are going epsilon then A. But if we eliminate this, so we have to directly go from Q2 to Q0. Okay, we will directly go from Q2 to Q0 on A. Similarly, okay, so this is our final DFA after elimination of null move. Okay, so this is all about how we eliminate our null moves. Now from the next video we will dive into our Mealy and Moody machines. Okay, thank you.